Volkswagen reopens its German electric car plant, will restart other factories sooner, but the factory will run much more slowly than normal. Welcome back, dear Torque News friends and subscribers. Welcome back again. I have a good news. Like I said in my previous video about China's Tesla's Giga Shanghai Phase 2 update, Volkswagen, I have news coming about Volkswagen and Ford. Volkswagen reopens its German electric car factory. As Volkswagen said that it has reopened a factory in Germany that makes electric cars, aiming to gradually resume production around the world following shutdowns amid this current situation that we all are living in. Volkswagen said that its factory in Zwickau, Germany, resumed production in the ID.3 electric hatchback on Thursday, but at a much reduced speed and with new measures in place to protect workers from a possible virus. If you remember, last week I reported two stories about how Tesla is going to reopen its gigafactory in Nevada and also the Fremont factory, and I said there are specific measures in place and I listed all of these measures. You're welcome to take a look at those measures. Volkswagen said that the factory will produce 50 ID.3 electric vehicles per day. You see, that's not much, but at least it's a start. It's down from about 150 vehicles per day before all of this situation started that forced Volkswagen to idle the plant in mid-March. As a condition of reopening the factory, Volkswagen's management and labor representatives agreed on an elaborate set of measures to protect workers concerned about the coronavirus. Those include specific rules on keeping distance, a requirement to wear masks, just like in Tesla, to wear masks whenever it's not possible to stay at least 1.5 meters away from others, staggered shifts to reduce the number of people in the factory at any given time, and a request to workers to take their temperatures every day before coming to work. Labor representative Jens Roth said that the company, Volkswagen, agreed that workers' health is the highest priority right now. We have reached agreement with the company on new measures to protect employees. One thing is clear, we will not be taking any risks. That health of employees has absolute priority, even if it means producing fewer Volkswagen cars, Roth said. Volkswagen plans to reopen its other factories in Germany in stages over the next couple of weeks. This is a good news, that people will get back to work and they will get to some normal situations. Volkswagen is also working to reopen its factories outside Germany, including its assembly plant in Chattanooga, Tennessee. The Chattanooga factory is set to resume production on May 4. So far we know that Giga Nevada is resuming production on May 4, and Fremont factory is resuming production on May 4. Later today I will report how is Ford going to resume its operations in Chicago on May 4, and now we see that Volkswagen is planning to reopen its Chattanooga, Tennessee factory on May 4 too. So this is all good news, friends. Thanks for listening and watching. Let us know what you think. If you are in the automotive industry or you work for car makers, let us know what you think about this opening. If you're working in a plant, when your plant is planning to work, if you have any information, you can share in the comments below. Again, thanks for watching. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell. And I'll see you in our next report. Have a wonderful day and God bless you all. Stay safe and take good care of one another.